Here I want to show you how to request reviews for your Google business listings. So the first thing that you're going to do is whenever you log in, you should see your locations right here. Here's mine, and this is what I'm going to use as an example. It's really quite simple. All that you need to do, here you can see some of the reviews that I have. Just go to Send Review Invitations. Here is the text feature, which will send your customer, your guest, your client a text message. Type in their name, John Smith, type in their phone number. I'm going to type in my number just as an example. Template. What you can do is you can use this template or you can edit it how you want to see fit. Thank you for choosing us. Okay. Now, if this was the new template that I wanted, I would just click Create Template from Draft. Mine. And if I wanted this to be the default template, click that, create. Otherwise, I could just go with the template that came with the program. This is going to go to, whenever they click the link that's going to be in the text message, it's going to go to Google My Business. I prefer that. Right now, as it stands, the link to Facebook opens up in a URL and doesn't go straight to the Facebook app if the person is using the Facebook app. And I've talked to support about that, and then their engineers, who seem to be much brighter than me, have said that it's working the way it should. So anyways, that's beside the point. So from this point, you can choose to schedule it for a later date, or what's best is if you do it right after the person has done business with you. This is what the text message will look like. Hello, John. Thank you for choosing us. We hope you had a great experience. We would love it if you took a second and left us a positive review. And right there's the link. That is what they're going to get in their cell phone inbox, their text message inbox. You click Send Invitation, and boom, they get it. Right then and there. There's no more of the would you mind leaving us a review? And then they walk out and forget about it. Okay. Now, the other way to do this is if you'd prefer to send them an email. All right, first name, last name, you type in their email address. You can choose a template that you've already created, or you can use this one. Thank you for your valuable business with Lance Cook Marketing and Consulting. It is important to maintain excellent coverage. You can blah, blah, blah. I'm mumbling my words. You can use this. Tell us about your experience. Or you can change this, tell the world about your experience. That's neat. This link will go to Google My Business. Tell us about, that's going to be at the top of the email. Hello, John. The message, submit a review. Oh, I like that. Show the business details. All right, and you send the email invitation and it goes straight to their inbox. Another thing that you can do is do a CSV upload. So if you've got a list of 20 or 30 or a couple hundred, maybe a couple, no more than 500 at a time, this will send out invitations, batches of 25 per day. So there is a template here. Choose a file. It'll go to it'll just open up the documents on your computer, and you upload the file according to the template. Here's the message. This is in text message, as long as you have their cell phone number or email address, kind of the same way. And then you can just sit back and let this send out 25 invites to leave you a raving review every day, and it'll do the work for you. Pretty cool, huh? All right, well, that's about it. Thanks. There was one more thing that I almost forgot, and that was replying to reviews. Here you can see some of my reviews right here. Basically, you can see here's Donald Dellinger. Highly recommended, outstanding gentleman, very knowledgeable and very professional. Thank you very much, Donald. So this is all you do. You just type in, thank you very much, and hit send, and it'll send that reply to Facebook. As long as you're integrated, which I do as a part of my service to you, I make sure that it's integrated. If I am an administrator, I can do that. That is. So make sure that whenever you get a good review or any review, that you respond with a heartfelt and thorough response. Just doing this, that's kind of lame. I would not, well, I say I would not, but I responded by using his first name in a little emoji. Okay. But it tells Google and other visitors that you are a real person working with real people, and it boosts the local presence. So please be sure to do that. Okay, now I think I'm done with this tutorial video. Thanks.